Today we have an interesting project here. This is like an audio device here, and I think it transmits it through Bluetooth because this is a Bluetooth module and it's not turning on. It's because it's not charging, and immediately when I look down the charging port, I can see that the pins are totally gone in the inside. Let me just try to focus here. So if you look down in there, there's nothing. It's basically when the port was put in, either it was put in wrong, wherever, and it's just botched. So I'm gonna have to use some heat and take this off. I think first I'm gonna apply some low melt solder around this, and then I will take it off with the heat gun. So I'll take off the battery part so that won't break, and then I'm going to use some low melt solder. I'll turn on my soldering iron here, and we'll use low melt solder to put it there. If I can find it. Alright. I think that should be good. Then we'll put some flux. Then use I think I should put some tape over that port because I don't want to melt any of those components. Okay. I was at like 450 just for a few seconds, and you can see this port here. It's not really focusing here. This port is done. So let's find a replacement port like that. Well, let me see if I can find one. here I have a whole whack of ports, and basically I bought these on eBay from China, and it's just a multi-assorted ports, and I want to get the one that most matches this. This one's not looking too bad. Let's see if we have any other ones. I have. This has long, flat legs. Okay. Man, I think I found the exact copy of it. Yeah. So. This is the exact copy for this guy. My neighbor came over and he wanted me to do this repair, and this is looking like the spitting thing. Pretty much, except these little grooves here. It's nice. Okay. I think I want to squish out these ports. Maybe a other one that has flat legs. I don't know. But these ones have a little. Let me just see. Actually, I may have. Maybe these legs actually may be better. Because I just noticed that on the original one, this one has these surface mounts legs, and then this. So here, this is the view on the scope. We're really zoomed in here now, and you can see why that's so important. Going to, I think what I'm going to do, maybe I'll tack this into place, and then I'll use the heat gun to get it on better. We'll put some flux here, and then flux down there. Actually, I think I can just reflow the whole thing in there. Let me try. It takes a while for my heat gun to warm up. I just want to make sure that these pins get on okay. Okay, here we go. Okay. Just use some flux to cool it down here. I'm gonna finish it up just with the hot iron. Just make sure I get those legs on nice and tight. Good. Okay. And then those pins. These pins look okay. Yeah, they're not moving. Good. And see with this, in the old port, it was missing this connection tab right here for the micro SD. So that looks good. Now we just have to clean it up. Some isopropyl alcohol. I think you need a bigger brush here. Just throw some heat on this. Okay. I put this on right here, and that's the new port, and then you can see from the top on the old port this was broken off. You see this tab in there, so this should be good. Okay, let's get rid of So I believe that fixed it. You can see the little light there, and I believe that means that it's charging. It's taking 150 milliamps, which is not much. I don't know what this little switch does, but it's getting power anyways. There you go. You can see the lights come on there, I think. Yeah. Okay, so that's how to repair a port for you to fix an expensive piece of equipment.
Thanks for watching this video. Hope it helped out. If you enjoy electronics or want to learn about how to fix electronics, consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.